Got cool ideas and want to do some creative things freely by hand? Or want to make prototypes, but have difficulties in making tools and have to spend months in finding a manufacturer? Here's FORMART 2, a machine tool for creative people like you. It's an advanced desktop vacuum forming machine with industrial performance. With it, everything will be easy. Lay down an object without any complex settings. Wonderful ideas like making soap molds and DIY components will come true, featuring extraordinary functions. Any thermoplastic materials can be used. With the built-in ID scanner, sheets can be identified easily. The optimal parameters are automatically entered. 3 default modes provide access to the most powerful functions. Largest forming bed in its class allows free switch between plastic sheets and avoids waste. Exclusive mold stripping technology is your best aid. If you already have a 3D printer, FORMART 2 is especially handy. It allows you to explore different materials and to try more creatively. Preheating program improves forming quality and enables various materials. Any shape you create can be filled with decorative or practical materials. If you don't know how to make 3D models, that's alright, as long as you can knead and shape, FORMART can take care of the rest. Intricate detail brings proposals to life, and meetings with clients have never been easier. It even takes care of the packaging, gets you product ready. The user-friendly surface helps achieve a 100% success rate while sustaining top quality. Product packaging and display can be achieved instantly with any items. You can free yourself and make creations anytime, anywhere. We'll join in your exploration for colorful ideas and help you bring your imagination to life. FORMART 2 reduces costs with infinitely reusable molds, so you can do better. Form your ideas from your table.